Hello viewers, how you are? I hope you are fine and sound at your homes. As you know, I have made so many videos on English grammar. This one video is also on English topic that is very interesting. That is many and a many. Sometimes lots of students got confused in many and a many. Here I make you clear this difference, what is many and a many in their uses. Here also I mentioned, are you confused how to use words many and a many? Students, these are adjectives of number, means these indicate more than two numbers. Many used for more than two numbers, as well as a many is also used more than two numbers. There is no basic difference between these two words. Many and a many are used in the same sense, showing a lot of numbers means more than two numbers in uses. Only the basic difference is that many is used with noun and verb according to a plural sense. No doubt friends, both these numbers are used as plural sense, but here noun and verb both are in plural sense, then we use many. Okay, and a many is used when verb and noun of the sentence is singular. You have to keep it in mind what is the difference between these both words uses. Many is used where there are in plural sense, means noun and verb both are in plural sense. Okay, and a many is used when noun and verb of the same sentence are in singular sense, means singular. Okay, here sense is plural, here singular, not sense here singular. You have to keep it in mind. Here is plural sense. Here is plural sense itself, but only noun and verb that is used in the sentence is only in singular form. I am taking here example to make them you clear more. For example, there are many boys in a class. Okay, there are many boys in a class. Here are boys noun and are is used here as a verb, and both indicate plural, means verb and noun both are according to sense of a plural. Okay, here is used many. It indicates more than two boys in a class. There are many boys in a class. Got it? Means verb here is in plural sense, as well as noun is also in a plural sense. Similarly students, a many is also used to show plural sense, but when there is noun and verb both are as a singular, okay, in a sentence, like there are many a boy in a class. This example can be written in this form. Okay, there are many a boy in a class. Students, here you have to pay your attention. Many multiply a boy. Okay, many a boy means a boy is singular, many means sense is many. Okay, more than two. Now I come to make you simplify in Hindi also. हमारे में से बहुत ज्यादा स्टूडेंट हैं जो व्यूअर्स हैं, दोनों वर्ड्स में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, मैनी एंड ए मैनी में. हमेशा याद रखना व्यूअर्स, मैनी और ए मैनी दोनों को ही हम लोग प्लूरल सेंस के अकॉर्डिंग यूज करते हैं. मीन्स बहुतात में यूज करते हैं, ज्यादा मात्रा शो करने के लिए यूज करते हैं, दो से ज्यादा क्वांटिटीज को शो करने में यूज करते हैं. बस फर्क दोनों में क्या है, यूजेस में फर्क है, इनके प्रयोग में फर्क है. जैसे मैनी कहाँ पे यूज किया जाता है, जब नाउन एंड वर्ब दोनों प्लूरल सेंस में दे रखे हो तो हमने मैनी को यूज करना है. मीन्स देयर आर मैनी बॉयज इन अ क्लास. Okay, are here is indication of verb and boys here is indication of noun. Okay, so we have used there many. And जो यहाँ पे a many है, a many is also means the same. Okay, there are many a boy in a class. Many a boy in a class. Now a boy means boy is a noun here, and here we put is a verb. Okay, there is many a boy in a class. Boy noun and is here a verb. Okay, so here I have used many a. Clear? Many a is followed singular verb and singular noun but having the same meaning. Many multiply a boy, it means बहुत सारे लड़के, दो से ज्यादा लड़के, it means many boys. Okay, सेंस दोनों में ही क्या चीज है, प्लूरल है, बट शो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, इसके यूजेस में फर्क शो हो रहा है. बस यहाँ पे आपने ध्यान रखना है, प्लूरल सेंस में ही दोनों चीजें दी होंगी और यहाँ पे वर्ब एंड नाउन सिंगुलर सेंस के अकॉर्डिंग दिया होगा सेंटेंस में, और हमने उसमें मैनी ए लगा के इसको प्लूरल सेंस दे देनी है. स्टूडेंट्स, इसके बाद मैंने कुछ एग्जांपल्स लिखी हैं, उन एग्जांपल्स में से आप लोग इसको क्लियर करोगे, अपना टेस्ट दोगे. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू रेडी फॉर द टेस्ट? ओके, I am going to take your test. Okay, you have to fill here many and a many in this filling the blanks. First example here, there aren't schools in this village. There aren't schools in this village. Here aren't is a plural verb according to plural sense, and schools also plural noun. So what we will use here? Here we use many. Okay, I hope you were also thinking the same, many. Okay, now next example, was there dash boy in the playground? Here look at the sense. Sense वही है, plural है, but दिया क्या हुआ है, was. Was is according to singular sentence and boy is also a singular noun. So what do we have to use? We have to use here many a. Was there many a boy in the playground? Okay, next, not dash question is asked. Not dash question is asked. Okay, not dash question is asked. Question here is noun, verb here is. Okay, it is according to a singular sentence, so we use here what, a many. Okay, or you can write many a question. Many a question means many questions. Okay, now next example, name of dash girls are on merit list. Name of dash girls are on merit list means girls here are noun and s indicates plural sense, are verb and are verb follows plural tense here, plural sense, sorry, on merit list. So we will put here many only. Name of many girls are on merit list. Okay, because this indicate noun and verb indicate plural sense. Okay students, next, I have seen her dash time. I have seen her dash time. What would you write here? Many or many a? Okay, I have noun, but it indicates a singular person here. Okay, here we use many a. Okay, I have seen her many a time means बहुत बार मैंने उसको यहाँ पे देखा है. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये आइडिया समझ आ गया होगा कि मैनी एंड ए मैनी हम लोग कहाँ कहाँ पे मोस्टली यूज करते हैं. सो प्रैक्टिस मोर in a simple way of this such type of sentences that I have taken here to help you. And students, you can comment me, मतलब आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, इस चीज़ को आप एक कमेंट के थ्रू मुझे बता सकते हो. अगर आपको वाकई ये वीडियोस अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू लाइक, अगर आपको ठीक लगता है तो. ऐसे ही वीडियोस एंजॉय करने के लिए और छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स सीखने के लिए, ताकि इंग्लिश अपने टिप्स पे रहे. इंग्लिश ऑन अवर टिप्स. टिल देन, बाय बाय. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.